Hot Ones Diecast family, what's up? I'm back. Told you I would be. New Team Transport H-Case release. I think this is the last one of the year. Because we are getting down to Christmas, everybody. What's everybody hoping they're going to get this year? Is there one Grail Hot Wheel you're hoping somebody's going to pick up for you? Let me know in the comments. I'm just curious. You a Porsche man? You a Ferrari girl? R34 is your thing? All right. Hold on. Let's save the best for last, because I mean, okay, quote unquote best. The one that everybody's waiting to see, but definitely a keeper for me, because I'm a Toyota guy. AE86 Sprinter Terreno and the Fleet Street in red. Check this bad boy out. Great colorway for the Sprinter. You always see it in black and white. You know, everybody's an Initial D fan, but looking good in a classic red there. I think this is a callback to something. I can't, you know, that piece of knowledge, if it was ever there, is gone. So I don't know what I was getting at, but cool, huh? Lycan Hypersport and the Euro Hauler. Dang, y'all. Dang. That. Whatever. This one will probably come to somebody for free. That's right, y'all. We give stuff away for free from time to time. Randomly in boxes at our shows on whatnot. Yeah, so Lycan Hypersport, and check out the hauler. I think, you know, the Lycan Hypersport's great and all, but I think the hauler is kind of the highlight on this one. Looks good. All right. And last but not least, because we don't want to keep this going for too long, Ferrari 250 GTO and the Fiat 642 RN2 Bartoletti Transporter. Wow, y'all. This has to be probably the most detailed transporter I think they've released. Hey, everybody. I know, I watched the interview with the designer on this one, and this is based on a real world hauler that Ferrari used from like 1954 for like, I want to say like 13 years into 67. And yeah, I mean, it's if you look at pictures, look this thing up, it's almost exact. They did a great job on this casting. And then of course you have Ron Wong's interpretation of the 250 GTO. And I am not a Ferrari guy. I mean, who doesn't like a Ferrari? Let's be real, but you know, they're not what I lust after, even though I would happily take one, obviously. But the 250 GTO, without question, one of the most beautiful cars ever made. Who knows if it'll ever be anything like these cars will ever be replicated. You know, Aston Martin DB5, Ferrari 250 GTO, Lamborghini Miura. I know they're not quite the same era, but kind of the same legend, same mystique. Anyways, y'all, I'll quit waxing poetic about these things. Come check out the website, thehotOnesDiecast.com. We're going to have these available for you, along with lots of other good stuff coming up for the holidays. Santa's going to be hitting the website. We're going to have some holiday themed merch. So, yeah, if you're into, I don't know, anything diecast, go check us out, thehotOnesDiecast.com. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Appreciate you. See ya.